Alrighty guys, so I really want to say this. I'm very, very proud of where me and Vinny came from. Vinny known as my business partner here over at HAZLETINTS. But I just have to say I couldn't imagine us being this far ahead of the game, and especially me at 25 years old. You know, we started this business in 21 and it's 2025, and we went from literally nothing to everything that we have. But besides that, just want to say that I'm proud. I'm extremely grateful for everything that I have, but I'm really here today to ask you guys what your favorite car is amongst our collection. Do you like the M4, the C8, the Ioniq 5N that we had, and we have the 1955 Buick, we have Mazdas, STIs. What is your guys' personal favorite amongst all of our cars? And if you continue want to watch us, stay tuned guys, because we got a lot more coming our direction, man. We're never gonna stop, so just comment down below.
Good morning, chat. Hair's a little wet, just got out of the shower. We're on the way to work, man. Again, we got the core again over here. And this kid does not live with me, I promise you. He just gets bored. Oh. And they got my hood up too. You know, it helps my hoodie going up on my head. You wanna know what changes? Come on. Fine, I'll just jiggle the camera. So, we gotta get this pulled out of the shop just because we got some more work. So, need to utilize the space more. So, let's get this pulled out. We got different kinds of horns in here today. Here's our horn.
What the fuck? Yo, look at the fucking...
When we put them together, we have one car horn.
What the fuck?
Got this Kia K5 in, doing this chrome delete up in here.
Here.
This is a tough one, guys. But we got this. And they got this Accord back here. And talking about wieners.
No cursing! I said, what the?
The whiskey's burning on a lonely night. Street lights flicker in the fading light. The city sleeps, but
All right. Chrome delete's all done. Took us probably about maybe 2 hours. Look, crispy. Let's try to get us to focus on this. Look at that, crispy. Let's get this car out of the shop, boys. We gotta go get a Cadillac quick. Wow, nice sunny day out here. You gotta show the world your mullet.
Third.
Country New Yorker.
Third. No, no one see your...
My nipple hairs?
No!
I got them shaped up last night. My chest hair is growing strong.
we vlogging, boys. We vlogging, baby. I don't know what the fuck that means, but we doing it. Oh, beep, beep.
He's got to do some more beep beeps. Skirt, 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 skirt. Let's go. It's getting cold in here. Oh, we in a car with this thing. This is bizarre. There's a lot of extra. I tell this guy I'm trying to take pictures, and he's like, "Oh, you take this whole fucking setup." Oh, beep beep, making him beep beep more. All right, let's take. Oh, we adjusting stuff I don't know how to adjust, guys. Fine, we're doing our best over here. Whoa, focus, camera. All right, guys, we got a rookie on the camera right now. Highlight some of the work we got going on here. This Q50 came out crispy. And that's all she wrote. Q50 in the books.
Well guys, we're finished with work for today. We're heading back to the house. Gotta let the dogs out and get them fed before I head out, because we're all gonna be going to the gym tonight. And yeah, let's get pumped up. Oh, is that a Viper, bro? Oh man, that shit's clean. The kind of cars that you see just driving around, that yellow Viper, that was pretty clean. But it's getting cold out, so we gotta get a jacket and everything like that. We gotta get a protein shake in us too. So yeah, bring all you guys along with us down to the gym, man. Hopefully we keep that a consistent routine. Trying to take that dad bod to a six-pack, man. Your boy from the last time we had videos, I actually was probably around 255, and I'm down to 214. So I ain't got abs, man, but I shredded off a lot of body weight, if you can't tell. But alright guys, we made it over at the gym. We got Kurt, we got Kenny, and we got Mike. Alrighty guys, we're done with the gym for the night. We're gonna go get some food. Okay, Curtis already claimed the seat, bro.
Good workout.
He's already claimed that seat. What, you and your brother flip a coin?
No, he just asked me if I wanted it.
Alright guys, I just want to end off the video here. This is our first vlog in a very, very long time. So I'd just like to say thank you for watching, and we're gonna be working on new intros and new outros shortly here. I know we used to go a lot harder at this, but we got to start from somewhere, and I genuinely just want to show you that I'm gonna progress and continue on, man. I think with everything that we got going in our lifestyle and the kind of stuff that we got going, you know, for us with the cars and everything, we're gonna blow up pretty fast on the internet. I just think we have a personality that we need to show to the world. So if you guys need anything, feel free to comment down below. Just tell me what you guys would like to see next, and I'll make it happen. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And your boy Brainiac's back out with another flawless video.